Hello, I'm Olga Zinoveva, and I want to show you a very good and easy to use program with the help of which you can create videos of your computer screen of what is on your monitor. The program is free and easy to use. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. I use Google Chrome browser, so I type it and this window appears. Now I need to do only two things. Press Start Recording. Wait a few seconds, then press Launch Recorder, and you will see this recorder is being downloaded for you. In my case, it's already open, but in your case, you will hear it's being downloaded here. Then, after a few seconds, just press on Downloaded Recorder and open the page which you want to talk about. In my case, it is Lino. As you move your mouse around the screen, your audience will see your screen and you're moving the mouse. As you want to start a recording, press this round red button, which will be here. So you press on it and start talking. After you finish, press Done. You will see this button as you do it. Just try it. It's so simple. Thanks.